Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Sometimes, we face trouble receiving emails of the new contact form 7 submissions. This can be due to a mistake or by any other technical reason. What if we can see all the entries in WordPress itself and can easily be stored in a database? In this video, you will learn how to save all contact form 7 submissions in WP admin. So let's get started with this video tutorial. We need to install a plugin, so to do that, hover onto plugins and click on add new. Before activating the plugin for submission, make sure that you have successfully installed and activated the Contact Form 7 plugin. Now search for the keyword submission. From the list, this is the plugin we are looking for. So click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. That's it. This plugin does not have any settings to configure. You can view the entries of Contact Form 7 submissions by hovering onto Contact and clicking on Submissions. Whenever a successful submission is done, you will be able to see a new entry here, and on clicking it you will be able to see all the details that are submitted by the user. Let me show you the process of how it works. I have already added a Contact Form 7 to my WordPress website. So let's fill the form and see whether this plugin is working or not. You can see the form here. I am adding the details as needed. Once done, now I will submit this form. Moving back to the Contact Form submission window and refreshing the same, you can see that we have received a new entry here, and on clicking it you can see all the details that we submitted. So this is how easy it is to save or store all successful Contact Form 7 submissions in WP admin itself. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.